Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are enjoying good health. Welcome to my art class. I am your art teacher, Mrs. Sadia Waseem. Class 3. In today's lesson, you will learn to draw a guava and a mango. Let's start our work. Dear students, it's a model picture. Observe the picture carefully and try to memorize its shape. Run your finger along the outline of the shape and learn the movement of your hand. A guava is of oval or can be of circle shape. Hold your pencil softly and try to draw freehand oval shape. Run your pencil 2-3 times to get a perfect shape. When you feel that the shape is good, then give dark outline. Okay, students, next is coloring. Start doing colors from one side of the object and move your pencil in the same direction. Try to keep strokes very close together with same pressure and don't leave wide gap, okay? It will give nice and fine look to your object. Stay within the line. Give dark outline with dark shade of green color. You can add different shades to give natural look. Is done. Next topic is a mango. Look at the shape of the mango. It's of oval shape. Draw an oval shape. Then add a curved line to give a perfect look to the shape. Erase irrelevant lines. It's done. Okay, next step is coloring. Start doing colors from one side of the object. Don't leave any gap. It's done. Hope you enjoyed today's work. Allah Hafiz.